Handicap 26 registered just repairs and hobbies. And so we're going to put this Wednesday model together, hopefully. So let's pull out of the box. And they say you can use CA glue. I'm going to use that. Here's our hands. It's the left hand. And her head. Very, very delicate, this part of the head. So let's see. Let's see if we can do this. Let's make sure we got the right leg here. Put some glue there. Looks like she can have her hands folded together like this. And there's that's the pink thing hand. Okay, so hopefully we can get these made up. Having a little trouble here getting these to fit. That's where the putty comes in. So let that fit like that. We're going to leave this thing off for now to the last part. Okay, turn her like this. There we go. They snap in. And I'm going to put that on. Usually people like to put the head on after they paint it. You know me, I do everything and do everything around that. So she's going to be a good size for the rest of the family I have over there. I'm going to show you the whole set when I get done. I'll do a video on that, guys, of what they look like. I've got Morticia, Uncle Fester, It, and a cardboard cutout of Lurch because I don't have I don't have a Lurch model. Can't find one. Impossible to find it. Anybody knows one of a worked Lurch model, let me know. So that's what she looks like. And then thing would go on this side of her, like right there. Okay. So I'm going to put that in a cup and see how she stands up. Stands up not too well. Kind of to the side. Try her in the box. There we go. She's on the box. And put thing right there. Pretty neat model. Really detailed. Very nice. I can't imagine people making these on their 3D printer. Pretty cool. So that's the video for now, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Wednesday says bye.